Namaste all of you. Myself Yogacharya Devendra Dhondiyal. I am Ashtanga teacher. On the behalf of 𝐒𝐸𝐚𝐥 Vidya School, I welcome you all to join our online yoga teacher training programs. I hope you enjoy this course and all the best, all of you. Okay, let's start the session with 3 Oms and opening mantra in Ashtanga opening mantras. So come to sitting, sit any comfortable position, whatever you want, sit Sukhasana, Padmasana, Siddhasana and Vajrasana. Make sure your spine straight, relax your shoulder, both palms over your knee, Chin Mudra and Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes, relax your facial muscles. Feel your breath with inhale long through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Try to remove your all tension physically and mentally. Release your all stress. Brings positive energy, positive vibration for yoga session. Feel relaxed, head to toes, toes to head. Head to bottom, bottom to head, relax. Feel your new energy. Concentrate your mind, concentrate your breath. Now prepare yourself for Om chanting. We will chant beginning Om together. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, bring your palms together, Namaste in front of chest, relax your shoulder. Now we chant Om together, take a deep inhale. Repeat the mantras after me. Inhale deep. Vande Gurunam Charanāravinde Sandarbhsita Swatma Sukhavavode Nisreyase Jangli Kayamane Sansare halahal Moha Santi Abaho Purusakaram Sankhchakra Siddharinam Sastu Sri Samsvetam Pranamami Patanjalim. Santi, Santi, Santi. Exhale, drop your head down. Namaste, your God. Create your energy. Feel the vibration. Inhale, head up. Exhale up with both palms together. Generate your heat. Feel new happiness. Feel warm up. Place your both palms over your eyes. All facial muscles. Feel energy and happiness. Feel new heating. Slowly open your eyes inside your both palms. Look your palms first. Protect your energy. While you're exhaling, bend forward. Namaste all of you. Release your arm side. So today we are going to introduce about Ashtanga Yoga. What is the Ashtanga Yoga? So Ashtanga Yoga, Ashta means 8, Anga is the limbs, the 8 limbs of yoga. The 8 limbs of yoga mentioned by Maharshi Patanjali in Patanjali Yoga Sutra. The first limbs of yoga, the yama. Yama, it means principle of moral. The second one, niyama. It means personal discipline. Then third one is the asana, is the physical posture. The next one is the pranayama, the regulation of breathing. The next one, pratyahara. Pratyahara is the withdrawal of sense. The next one, dharana. Dharana means concentration. The next is the dhyana. Dhyana means meditation. Then last limbs of samadhi, it means supreme consciousness. So these 8 limbs of yoga describe Maharshi Patanjali in Patanjali Yoga Sutra. So Ashtanga yoga practicing means practicing all 8 limbs of yoga. Okay, now we talk about the vinyasa. What is vinyasa? So vinyasa means breathing and movement system. For each moment, there is one vinyasa. Like, for example, Surya Namaskar A, Sun Salutation A, there are mentioned 9 vinyasa. So first vinyasa, inhaling while you raising your both hands over your head, palms together in Namaste. And second vinyasa, while you exhaling, bend forward, palms close to your feet. So like one moment, one breath. That is vinyasa. So in this way, all asanas retain number of vinyasa. So now we talk about the Drishti. What is the Drishti? So Drishti means gazing and point. So there are 9 Drishti in asana practice. So first one is the Urdhva Drishti, look to space, look to sky. The second one, Bhumadhya Drishti. Bhumadhya Drishti in between your 2 eyebrows, the center of your forehead. The third one, Nasagra Drishti, the tip of the nose. The fourth one, Parsva Drishti, look towards your right side. The fifth one, Parsva Drishti, look towards your left side. The next one, 6, number of 6 is the navel, Nabhi Drishti. Then 7 one, Hastagraha Drishti, look at your middle finger. Then number of 8, Angusta Drishti, look at your thumb. And last one is the Padagraha Drishti, look at your big toes. So these are 9 Drishti we follow during the asanas. Now we will finish the session with finishing mantra. So sit properly, sit in a comfortable position. Sukhasana, Padmasana, keeping straight your back. Relax your shoulder with close your eyes. Relax your body, mind. Few breath, inhale and exhale. Feel your energy, feel your breath. Now bring your palms together, Namaste in front of chest. We will chant one Om together. Then repeat the Shanti mantra after me. Inhale. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam न्यायेन मार्गेण महे महेशा Go-brahmanebhya Subhamastu nityam Loka samasta Sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Exhale, drop your down. Namaste, your God. Thanks for self. Inhale, head up. Exhale, rub in both hands. Janvitahi. Place your palms over your eyes, over your face. Active your facial muscles. Open your eyes inside your hands. Release your hands, look your hands, protect your energy. While exhaling, bend forward. Namaste, all of you. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you so much and see you next session. Namaste.